Hey, it's Mark here from Visoid. Have you ever spent all night waiting for renders only to still miss your deadline? Same here, that's why we built Visoid. Watch this video and learn how to turn a basic 3D model to a stunning rendering in a few minutes. Seriously, let me show you how. First, go to your design application. I'm going to use this cabin I designed in SketchUp. It's enough if you define the basic geometry, windows and doors. Add some textures and build some simple surroundings which represent your site. When you're ready, export your file as DEA or GLB format, whichever your app supports. Head to the Visoid app. Click the 3D button on the left and you're in the upload section. Then just drag and drop your file here. You can move around, rotate, and set camera settings to get the best angle of your design. You could also set and save views for later use. When you're ready to render, click on Capture. Here's where the magic happens. Visoid reads your model directly. No more fiddling with viewport settings and uploading screenshots to AI apps. Now let's make this render pop. Set the main settings, render type, input detail level. Choose the ones which fits the state of your model the best. We'll go with detailed here. You can also define some basic settings, time of day and render. And now the prompting, one of the most important parts. No need for complicated sentences and best to avoid comments. Just a simple description of your design, surroundings and the mood of the rendering. Alright, here is the best part. Hit generate and normally you would go grab one more coffee or scroll through this in. You could even go to sleep for an hour. With Visoid, just watch. Boom. From basic geometry to presentation ready in under a minute. This would have taken hours with traditional software. At this point, you can decide to edit the prompt and settings to match your vision more and do a few more rounds or use the built-in editing tools. For now, I'm more than satisfied with this one. I'm just going to hit export, set 4K output, and there will be a presentation-ready high-quality render available in a few minutes. So stop waiting. Upload your model now on visoid.com and see just how fast great can be. See you next time.